Welcome back to Tech Vibes. Today we're fixing the PS5 download and update error CE-108862-5. Place the PS5 on a flat surface so we can start checking everything safely. Begin by gently unplugging the PS5 power cable from the back of the PS5. Leave the PS5 unplugged to fully reset the PS5 power system. Now unplug the PS5 LAN cable or PS5 Wi-Fi adapter if you're using one. Check the PS5 power port to make sure there's no dust or loose connection. Firmly plug the PS5 power cable back into the PS5 port. If you're using wired internet, plug the LAN cable back into the PS5 securely. Press the PS5 power button to turn the PS5 back on. Once the PS5 home screen loads, open the PS5 settings menu. Scroll down and select PS5 network settings. Choose Test Internet Connection on the PS5 to check the PS5 signal strength. If the PS5 shows weak Wi-Fi, move the PS5 closer to the router. If possible, connect the router's LAN cable directly to the PS5. Restart the router, and then restart the PS5 for a fresh PS5 connection. Go back to the PS5 home screen and open the PS5 download section. Look for any stuck PS5 downloads related to the PS5 error CE-108862-5. Highlight the stuck PS5 download and select Cancel on the PS5. Now restart the PS5 again using the PS5 power button. When the PS5 turns back on, return to the PS5 game or app you were downloading. Start the PS5 download again and watch for any PS5 error messages. If the PS5 still shows CE-108862-5, go back into PS5 settings. Scroll to PS5 network and choose Setup Internet Connection. Select Wi-Fi or LAN depending on your PS5 setup. For Wi-Fi, pick your network and enter your password on the PS5. Choose Advanced Settings on the PS5 Wi-Fi menu. Change DNS settings on the PS5 to manual. For primary DNS on the PS5, enter 8.8.8.8. For secondary DNS on the PS5, enter 8.8.4.4. Save the settings and reconnect the PS5 to the network. Test the PS5 connection again to confirm the PS5 has stable internet. Return to the PS5 home screen and open the PS5 downloads list. Restart the PS5 download one more time. If the PS5 still fails, power off the PS5 completely. Hold the PS5 power button until you hear the second beep. This will boot the PS5 into safe mode. Connect the PS5 controller using the PS5 USB cable. Select option 2, Update System Software on the PS5 safe mode screen. Choose Update using Internet on the PS5. Let the PS5 download the latest PS5 update. When the PS5 restarts, go back to the PS5 home screen. Open PS5 settings one more time. Scroll to storage to check for PS5 corrupted data. Find any partially downloaded PS5 files and delete them. Restart the PS5 again from the PS5 power button. Once the PS5 boots up, open the PS5 game library. Select the PS5 game or app that failed to download earlier. Start the PS5 download again to test the fix. If the PS5 still hits the CE-108862-5 error, shut down the PS5 again. Boot the PS5 back into safe mode by holding the PS5 power button. Select option 5, Rebuild Database on the PS5. Allow the PS5 to scan and rebuild all PS5 files. This organizes PS5 storage and removes PS5 update conflicts. When the PS5 restarts, return to the PS5 home screen. Open the PS5 download section one more time. Start the PS5 download again and monitor the PS5 progress bar. With the PS5 database updated, the PS5 should now download smoothly. If everything works, the PS5 error CE-108862-5 is officially fixed. Enjoy your PS5 downloads and updates without interruption. Thanks for watching Tech Vibes. Subscribe for more PS5 fixes.